Hey everybody, this is Matt Gibbs with Aeroseal. I've got Alex Bowie filming, and today we're going to be talking about a couple new pieces of equipment. The first one being the new Aeroseal sealant tubes. Okay, so it's pretty much business as usual when it comes to the sealant tubes. The exception of is a little bit of a different process. That's what we're going to be talking about today. So they still start out going through the same pump that you will have on your Aeroseal or your HomeSeal Connect unit. So over here we've got where the bottle would be, runs through the pump. Same way as usual. Right here we've got a little rubber grommet. This is where it sticks in place. Okay, it's very snug. And then we've got the sealant tube itself. So it runs a little bit different. So instead of connecting it up top and running it down like we normally do, we're actually going to run it through our placeholders here. And then we're going to run it backwards essentially. Up into the box like so. Very similar to our blue tube connection. This is a compression style fitting. So it goes into place. Push it in. It's not going anywhere unless I'll ever pull back on this yellow piece. Pulls right out. Okay. That's how that works. And this looks a little bit different. So essentially what we got here is a new sprayer tip onto the sealant tube. This one's a lot more durable. So we're just going to pull back until we've got it lined up. Okay. And it's going to go in like so. There's a little bit of an elevation difference, so don't just push. Make sure it's lined up and it'll go in. When you don't feel any resistance, that's when you're good. So you're going to push it until it sticks out. Okay, so you can see it sticking out there. It's set up to where it can only go so far out, and then it's going to stay there because of this rubber piece here. So once you've got it to where it will no longer push out any farther, leave it alone, it's good. And then we've also got a new compressed air line here. So the old one was very difficult to put on. Any of you that have had me training you know that I don't like them. So now we've got a very easy way to hook up our compressed air line. So essentially it just plugs right in, okay? When we want it to disconnect, we have a spring guided lock right here on the bottom. Push this up, comes right out, okay? Very easy. So with this new setup, we've got two pieces here that we need to talk about. That being, this is the nozzle tip that sits on top, and this is your 90 on the bottom here. We've got two new rubber grommets. So these rubber grommets, when they go back on to the threading needs to be dry. And there's two different sizes. The bigger one goes on the bottom, the smaller one goes on the top. So if you see right here, you can see the smaller one right here, the larger one on the bottom. Okay. If you happen to break these or rip these, give us a call. Aeroseal Technical Support will get you hooked up with some new ones. Okay, this has been Matt Gibbs with Aeroseal, signing out.